Question number 3 of Chapter Probability Exercise 16.1 of Ncert Maths textbook. Hello friends, the question is like this. Describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. The given experiment is a coin is tossed 4 times. For this experiment we have to calculate the sample space. When the coin is tossed for the first time, then it can give us head or a tail. Now, it can be noted here that H is event of getting head, and T represents event of getting tail when a coin is tossed. Further, if the coin is tossed for second time, then the events that we result after the first and second toss will be head head, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. The logic here which we have applied is that is first toss is head, then second toss can be head or tail. This will give us 2 outcomes, head head and head tail. And if the first toss is tail, then also the second toss can be head or tail. This will give us 2 more outcomes, tail head and tail tail. In this manner we form the outcomes of tossing the coin 3 times, 4 times, and so on. Similarly, if the coin is tossed for third time, the events that will result after the first, second and third toss of the coin will be head head head, head head, tail head tail head, head tail tail, tail head head, tail head tail, tail tail head, and tail tail tail. So you can see that we have to just place H and T after the previous outcome to obtain new outcome. That is for each outcome of the tossing the coin 2 times, we get the outcome of tossing the coin 3 times, placing H for the first time and T for second times. I hope now the idea becomes more clear. Finally, when the coin is tossed for 4th time, the events that will result after the 4 tosses will be head 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 head, head 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 tail, head head tail head, head head tail tail, head tail head head, head tail head tail, head tail tail head, head tail tail tail, tail head head head, tail head head tail, tail head tail head, tail head tail tail, tail tail head head, tail tail head tail, tail 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 head, tail 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 tail. So in this way we can represent the sample space of tossing of 4 coins by tree diagram. Therefore we can represent the sample space S of experiment of tossing the coin 4 times as shown, which is the required answer.
To watch more of these super videos and for the latest update, subscribe and like the videos on these YouTube channels, HSK Shiksha and Maths Help by HSK. Thank you.